Want to know which WhatsApp users are online or recently active? Many businesses send messages blindly without knowing whether users are available to respond. WhatsApp Online helps you check WhatsApp Online status from large phone number lists, so you can focus on contacts that are more likely to receive and respond to your messages. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp Online on NumberCheck.ai step by step. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available account checking products. Click Get Started to create an account or sign in to the platform. Before using the service, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the messaging category, locate WhatsApp Online and click Buy Now. Select the target country or region that matches your phone number list. Selecting the correct country helps improve checking accuracy. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing phone numbers. One phone number per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin checking WhatsApp Online status. After processing is completed, review the checking results on the results page. The results show which WhatsApp accounts are online or recently active. These results can help you prioritize contacts that are more likely to respond. Click Download to save the complete results file. The exported file contains WhatsApp accounts identified with online or recent activity status. Instead of sending messages blindly, you can focus on users who are more likely to receive and respond to your outreach. These results can be used for audience targeting, lead generation, customer acquisition, and WhatsApp marketing campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and account checking guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking WhatsApp Online status today.